as our 997s are about 20 years now, the gas struts to the front hood is beginning to give up. I'm gonna replace them today, and if yours also giving up, make sure not to get hit by the bonnet when it falls like this. So be careful when changing them. Of course, you could go to Porsche and order new ones. I went to that's falling again, to AliExpress and order a set. It's about $15 or something like that, so no money at all. Yeah, they look quite decent, and we'll see how to do this. To get the old ones off, make sure that you have already secured the hood. But to get the old ones off, you take a small screwdriver and place it here in the clip and give it a light punch. And then you see the clip, it gets out. And then while holding this hood, you take it off completely first. Then it's off. And while holding the hood, so you don't just let it fall down, just give it a little punch, and then it's off. And then you take the next clip and do the same. And then it's off. This is what the clip look like. And you get the screwdriver in there. The clip is like this. You get the screwdriver in there and just twist it a little bit, and the clip gets out. There are some hooks in here that are removed to the side so that you can remove it from the ball. To install it, you just take the new one, and you don't have to release the clip. You just push it in place, and then the upper one, and push it in place, and then we're ready. Now we have replaced the struts, and the hood won't fall down again. Yeah, that's it. If you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe for getting updates about the new videos I am releasing. See ya!